How to install sharp-looking tape on wind deflectors. Check the weather forecast, as this type of wind deflectors takes a few hours to fully stick. This tutorial video will show you how to install tape on wind deflectors. This tutorial video will show you how to install tape on wind deflectors. They are not wind deflectors in the window channel. Okay, time to begin. Firstly, thoroughly wash the edge to which the wind deflectors will glued on the tape. First, use water, then alcohol or white spirit to remove grease. After washing with water, leave it to dry for some time. Before you start, try them on the car to be sure that everything is fine with the wind deflectors. Do not remove the paper from the adhesive tape because it will be difficult to stick the wind deflector in the right position. Remove only about 2 centimeters on one side and the same on the other side. It will give you the opportunity to adjust the position of the wind deflector to the door frame. Once you have found the correct position for the wind deflectors, then lightly press one end and then the other. Then remove the paper protecting the adhesive tape from the tape. After removing the paper, press down firmly on the wind deflector. Repeat the process in the same order with the next ones. I believe that first, you should stick the wind deflectors on the front doors, then on the rear doors, and if your wind deflectors are in 6 parts, then the last small one on the triangular window behind the rear door. At the end of the video, you can see a comparison of the appearance of the car without wind deflectors and with wind deflectors.